May gabi sa tanan. Ha? Palo?
The speaker's outside.
Ha? Dito? May gabi sa tanan. Si Lloyd, igagaw ni Monching Magallanes, ang akong husband. Kasi si Lydia, pinsan ni Monching. Ang isa nga akong dili malimtang kang Lloyd, kadtong 40 days ni Monching, when Lloyd drove us para sa Price Garden, together with Lydia, Doric Ferolin, and the rest, our children. Lloyd, I really appreciate what you did for us. Karon na nako ni nasulti sa inyo. Bitch. I also remember Monching now. Yes. The cousins of Lloyd, Monching, Lito Carbonell, Nick Sorel, and Monching. Magdulan sila madyong dito sa taas. They were the best of friends, the best of cousins, Monching, Lloyd, Nick, Lito Carbonell. They're so very close. Lloyd, I was really touched of your gesture, you know that. Thank you. Wala na ako masulti.